Welcome to this section about anxiety. My name is Mark and I'm here at Newcastle Hypnotherapy. Anxiety affects everyone. We treat clients from all walks of life, professionals, non-professionals, parents, children, students, retired people. Anxiety doesn't discriminate. It can affect everybody and it can really make your life miserable and uncomfortable. Thankfully though, we have the anxiety treatment program and it helps people just like you to get totally in control of anxiety, typically within 30 to 90 days. We help you to recognize your triggers. We teach you how to stop the anxiety. We teach you how to reduce the anxiety levels down and down. And then most importantly, we teach you how to bring in great feelings of strength, self-confidence, calm, and relaxation so that instead of suffering from anxiety problems in the future, you feel relaxed and confident. There's lots of information on this website. Take a look at this page. There are lots of other videos and articles. You can even find some free tips and help on how to manage the anxiety yourself. But most importantly, when you're ready, do get in touch with us and we can arrange a free consultation. The free consultation just basically allows you to get on the phone to us for 15 minutes, totally for free, and you can chat about your problem and tell us how bad it is and what happens to your life because of the anxiety. We can then get a better idea if we can help you or not. And if you're ready, we can then push you forward for the anxiety treatment program and let's get your life back in control and get rid of that anxiety. My name's Mark and I look forward to seeing you really soon. Take care.